Assalamu alaikum. Guys, how are you? We are fine. We are stand here upon a new bridge. We recently visit here to see this bridge. The bridge is located here in upon the place of Boropoila. The bridge is beside located beside Gopalpur. The bridge is recently building up, and this bridge help us to communication to other side, to other place. The bridge is very helpful to the people of this local area, because the people of this area goes to town or bazaar market to uses this bridge. So this bridge is very helpful to this local areas people. So we thankful to our interim government and our chairman to building and gives us a new bridge to us. So thank you. We invite you to visiting this bridge. So thank you. Assalamu alaikum.